Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another install for the STI. And this time, as you can read the title, I got another seat for the Subi. Finally, for the passenger side, because I've been rocking the driver's side for quite some time now. I think it's been a year, and I love that seat. So I can't wait to have a complete set in here, and that's gonna be today. So yeah, it's a pretty simple install. I mean, I have another video of the driver's side if you want to check that one out. But as you can tell, yeah, that's the only thing that's missing. That's throwing off this interior. I think once it's done and put it in the car, it's gonna look amazing. And yeah, so I just can't wait. After having the whole engine build and everything, and now having the recaro seat in there, this car is pretty much basically complete. I just want to kind of change some of the carbon fiber and then probably the wheels later. But yeah, overall, I love how it looks. What do you guys think? But yeah, so let's go ahead and let me unbox the seat and show you guys how that seat looks like really quick, and then what brackets I'm using and what rails I'm using, so that way if you guys want to get recaro seats, you guys know exactly what to order. But basically, there's a lot of videos out there for recaro seats, so yeah, I'm gonna try to do a whole detail on how to install the seat. So hopefully I capture everything for you guys and you guys can install it. It's not too hard, a couple bolts, and yeah. So honestly, I just can't wait once I'm done and see how the interior looks, because yeah, this interior really needed it, and I love my recaro. So I do have the backing carbon fiber for that one. I will order this one later down the road, just so it can be a complete set. So I'm not done yet, but I'm 90% there, you know. But yeah, so yeah, I can't wait. Let's just go ahead and unbox the seat, and then I can show you guys everything that I ordered for the seat, everything you're gonna need if you want to install some recaro seats. All right guys, well, here it is. This is a recaro seat. Damn, looks clean. It's a red Alcantara, so it matches all the Alcantara in the car. Yeah, clean as recaro. Just need to order the backing like the driver's side, and we'll be all set for the interior. So it shouldn't take too long. Just gotta get this seat ready, and then get that seat out of there and remove the sensor, and then put it in this car. I mean, in this one. So I think I'm gonna start by removing the passenger seat first, and then we'll go on to taking off the sensor, because you do need the occupant sensor. It's the sensor that senses that someone's sitting there for the airbag. So you need that. Transfer over here. I'm probably just gonna stick it on the bottom, double-sided tape it, just so it looks pretty clean or whatever. But yeah, overall I can't wait. So let me just go ahead and start removing the passenger side really quick. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll come back to you guys in a second. All right, first things first, disconnecting the battery really quick. All right, disconnect the battery. Let's go ahead and start removing the interior. I think it's maybe 14 or 13. Let's go ahead and start removing the seat really quick. All right, get this floor mat out of the way. And what do you know, it's a 14. All right, let's go ahead and remove the two front seats really quick. Let me get my better tool, a faster tool, an automatic tool. Comes in handy. These are gonna be there for the front, so let's go ahead and keep them right here. All right, and now we can do the front, the back. Same thing, just remove some bolts. Get this damn carpet thing out of the way really quick. Okay, these ones are easy, you just put two bolts. Now I'm just gonna put the seat, kind of face it that way so I can disconnect some of this stuff. All right, for this side, I'm gonna take off these clips for this bracket really quick. I would want to just rip it off, but I don't want to, so I'm just gonna try to unplug it. Like, there you go. There you go. And then this one just comes off. Okay. There's that. Now I can pull the chair out. So push this all the way in front. Yep. All right. Got the bolt off this thing so I can disconnect this part really quick. Get the seatbelt receptacle out. And then now I just gotta get this out. All right, let me get this white clip out of here because I do need to get that sensor. So you just gotta remove. You gotta remove these clips right here. So this one looks like it's already came off a little bit. Then you got two more right here.
2 hours later.
All right, guys. Well, that's it. Got the occupant sensor out. So you do need this. You need this whole complete set here, and then you do need this thing that's attached to the bracket. I must say, it was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Everything is on these seats has like, there's like metal rails in the middle right here that you have to like get off. So what I did, I just ripped it off. It's kind of useless seat now. I mean, you can still use it or whatever, but it's just not gonna be the same. Oh well, it's not like I'm gonna go to stock seat ever again. But yeah, what a pain in the ass. So first, take off all these clips, right? And then, sorry I couldn't record everything because it was a pain in the ass. Take off all the clips, and then in there's some rails. Just be careful because I did cut myself somewhere. I don't know where, but I did cut myself somewhere. So you gotta be careful. But there's some rails that are attaching the top part of this, the leather side, to the cushion. So you either can rip it, or what I did is use some needle nose pliers and kind of bent the metal things out of the way. And then as soon as you're done with all that, you can just kind of like feed your hand in there underneath the sensor, kind of disconnect it from the cushion. And then there's gonna be a plug right here that connects to the heating element thing, whatever. And you want to feed that down here. So that's why I took these off. But yeah, once you feed it through and you pull it out, then it's all good. But yeah, just kind of a pain in the ass a little bit, but I'm glad I got it out. And now I can figure out where I'm gonna mount this. I think I'm just gonna double-sided tape it to the bottom of this and then be done with it. So yeah, but yeah, it's just a pain in the ass trying to get this in. So yeah, I couldn't record everything. I kind of stopped recording because I felt like it was gonna take longer than normally. But yeah, what a pain. If it didn't have the metal rails, it would have made it so much easier, but I guess that's pretty much how it's supposed to be, you know? But yeah, now the bottom, I mean, it's fine. It's not like it's gonna be lifting, but the seat isn't really too comfortable anyways to begin with. So yeah, so it's all good. So yeah, let me just finish putting this back together, put that in storage, and then I can start on this one. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna double side tape most of it onto here. First being the sensor itself. It's gonna go right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this sensor right here. First things first, let me get these rails. It comes with all these washers and spacers stuff. If you order the right, I'll put the part number in the description so you can get an idea what to order. Okay, so what you want to do is grab one of these long bolts and put it in the hole, and then get those spacers that they provide in the kit. Put it on there. Align it with your seat hole. All right, go ahead and put spacer and screw on the other side. Do the same thing. There's that one. Alright guys, well I am done putting on this bracket. Got the rails on there, got the sensor on there. Hopefully it works. Got it just mocked up and double-sided taped on there along with the sting in there. Just gotta connect these and then connect the seat belt one. I've already routed the seat belt, connected that. Had to go get some washers and more screws. It came with the right amount of screws, but they didn't come with any any nuts, so I had to go get some nuts from Home Depot. But got them on there, pretty secure, ain't gonna go nowhere. Plus nobody really rides on the passenger side, so yeah. So basically everything's double-sided taped down. I got this double-sided taped down. Got this the seat belt thing zip tied there, and then I just got to run these in the car. So let me just go ahead and throw it on the car really quick. Oh yeah, for the resistor for the airbag thing, I got this from Amazon. So focus. Yeah, so these ones are the 3.3 ohm resistor, and that's gonna be going in here for the airbag inside this yellow one. It's gonna go right in the middle, those two in the middle, and then you should be good. So you put one on each side, and then you electrical tape it, and then that's pretty much it. I already got everything all cleaned up, looking good. So yeah, I just gotta throw on this resistor really quick and then put the seat in there. So let's go ahead and do the resistor real quick, and I'll show you guys how to put it on there real quick. All right, for the resistor, so yeah, let me just go ahead and grab one of these. All right, go ahead and take one out that you need. Comes with like a bunch of them, so if you break one or something, it's all good. Then you grab your thing right here. You put it in there, twist this just to go in the two middle ones. And that's pretty much it, guys. And you just kind of, yep. So it should look like that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but let's zoom. But yeah, like that. So I got both in the middle, and then I just need to electrical tape it real quick. All right, so get some electrical tape, put it on top. I like to put it up there. All right, let's go ahead and get the seat in there. Should be lighter than the other seat. And let's just make sure I don't scratch anything in here. Head first. And then, there we go. And then we just slide this all the way back really quick. All right. Let me connect everything that needs to be connected. Get these bolts in there. Okay, got all the wires connected, got all the bolts in. All right, guys, well, that completes this install. Definitely something I needed for the car because it looked kind of awkward, especially with just the driver's side being a recaro and then the passenger side being a stock STI seat. So definitely looks much better in there now. And yeah, just completes the whole overall look of what I was going for the car. This car is pretty much done. All I need is the tune, and then I don't know, after that I'll just probably just change some things like the wheels and the side skirts and the spats in the back. Yeah, but overall the front end is done, and yeah, the interior is done. I just need to do that, get that carbon fiber backing just like the driver's side. See if you can see it. Definitely needs one of those. Just to match it. Looks freaking clean already. Definitely looks way better now. As you can see, freaking the two recaros now. Yeah, simple install. The only thing that was on that side everybody doesn't want to really do is take out that sensor. I don't know how much they are, just the sensor itself online, so you can just buy that and just put it on instead of ripping out the whole seat. Well, honestly, it wasn't too bad. Just gotta cut it up and make sure you don't freaking mess up the sensor. But yeah, this red really looks good with all the Alcantara from Overland Designs. Same color shade and everything. It looks exactly the same. Almost looks OEM, like it was meant to be like this. Just kind of like the Honda Type R's, where they have the nice freaking seats that match, that just came from the factory like that. I feel like Subaru should have got some Recaros and their bad boys, and everybody will be rocking these seats, and there'll be no complaints. Yeah, sure, it'll probably be a more expensive STI, but shit, definitely recommend it. I'll definitely be picking up these seats. If I don't get a Type R and I get a different kind of car, I'll definitely pick up some Sportster GT seats for those cars too, because damn, these things are comfortable and they look amazing. I might not get them red like this one, but you never know. You never know what the future has. But yeah, definitely looks good. No lights. No lights, everything worked out good. I'm about 400 miles into the break-in. Should be able to tune it. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, like I said, I'm not shooting for too high numbers, but whatever this car can do, I'm gonna try to do it. And if I want more power, then I can always go E85, get bigger injectors, and then, I mean, the block can already handle that kind of power, so I don't want to push it to the moon, but you know, just anything really. I'm not looking for numbers, honestly. Just an overall fun car. But yeah, honestly can't wait until it's finally tuned so I can drive it normally like I want to. Because right now, just driving it like slow and everything, it's like it's tempting to just punch it, but you know, you can't. So yeah. Well, overall, it looks good. I don't know if I'm ever gonna change the color. If I do, it'll probably be like a dark bluish, but we'll see. Dark blue with the red accent will look pretty sick. And some white wheels, definitely some white wheels. I'm not too sure if I want white TEs. You know, everybody rocks TEs, or the Volks wheels, the CE 28s. I think that's what they're called, Club Racer. Yeah, and the black edition, those ones look pretty sick, but I just kind of want a deeper lip on it, so I'm trying to make sure I order the right wheels if I ever do change to those wheels, or the TEs. So one of the two, pick your poison. Which one would look good? Honestly, I don't know. Any kind of wheel will look good, but if I do blue, I want to rock those TEs or those Volks. So yeah, just let me know which ones will be sick. I mean, everybody rocks TEs, and it's just something that everybody already does, so I don't know. So I'm not sure if I want to get TEs just because everybody has TEs on their STIs, on their Evos, on their, I mean, they're nice wheels, but damn. We're all gonna be matching. We're all gonna be the same kind of build. That's all you're gonna see is TEs. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm more leaning towards the Volks, the Club Racers. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. See which wheels you guys prefer. But yeah, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the STI or the WRX. Not sure what the next video will be, but I'll try to make as many videos as I can. Just, you know, just to keep you guys updated on the cars and just to document the cars for me, you know. I pretty much mostly do this for just documentation, just to get better and just to make some content, see if I can make some content with this car and just kind of document this build for the future, you know. When I'm old man, you want to look back and you're going to be able to see all these videos. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.